This is Shirley from Alaska, Herb Lady. The pine needle is what we're going to talk on today. And pine needle is really good. My husband uses it a lot because he used to have weak lungs, and now he seems like he's doing really good with his lungs. It's known as an antiseptic, a very strong one. Pine needle oil is an excellent remedy for all types of respiratory problems. Inhaling for treatment of congestion, cold, sinus, mucus in the nose and throat, and any excess mucus and any bacteria infection. Pine oil may also help with relieving serious conditions such as lung infection, emphysema, pneumonia. It's an antiseptic. It helps. Pine oil combats heavy smoking and enhances tissue oxidation. Pine oil also is found to possess antibacterial activity. A study was conducted in France that determined that the oil would purify, deodorize the air, destroying bacteria, staph, and strep, and several of the essential oils that were found to destroy 90% of the bacteria within 3 hours included cloves, lavender, lemon, mint, pine, rosemary, and thyme. The German scientists conducted an extensive research testing on a number of oils, and the evidence was most effective on the test was pine, eucalyptus, lemon, and thyme, shown to prove the best action. It helps to relieve dry coughs. Research shows positive results in inhaling the oil, even in very small amounts. Another advantage, inhaling helps to for the infection not to linger longer. A lot of times you think you're getting rid of it, and you haven't got rid of it because you didn't kill it. You can have just 1 or 2 bacteria left, and it can start multiplying again. And that's why that it's better to, I tell people, don't just stop taking it when you're feeling better. Give it a week or 2 to keep taking it so you have killed everything, because a lot of times we don't realize that every time we go into a shopping center or doctor's office, dentist's office, we're walking right into a whole bunch of bacteria and viruses. And most of the time your white blood cells will take care of it. But if you've been down or don't feel good or think negative, then here comes the sickness. And that's why thinking positive, being happy, and taking herbs and smelling your oils will keep you a lot healthier. You can either be on one side sick, on the other side healthy and happy. It helps with sinus, when you have any kind of sinus. It even helps with TB. Pine oil is a strong antiseptic, also beneficial for treating urinary complaints. Pine oil has been found to be very effective on the kidneys. Pine oil strengthens and relieves and refreshes and activates mental and adrenal gland stimulation. Pine oil also helps with on the topical over your kidneys and stimulates the adrenal gland function. The method of aromatherapy may help individuals suffering from fatigue, replaces the need for caffeine stimulation that can overwork the adrenal glands. People don't realize that. Every time they drink anything that's got caffeine in it, it overworks the adrenal glands, and then they go, I feel tired. Well, you did it to yourself. Keep away from caffeine because it's a vegetable poison, and use minerals. Minerals, any kind of vegetable mineral will just give you extra energy to zoom around. In the German study, pine oil causes more activity in people. It gives them more energy. Pine oil also massage to stimulate circulation, arthritis, muscle aches, and rheumatoid pain. According to an article in the International Journal of Aromatherapy, essential oil has been enhanced by, it helps Alzheimer's patients. For example, the essential oil of geranium, lavender oil is used to trigger memory. Cooking in plants with eucalyptus and peppermint and pine is used to stimulate conversation, overhaul memory. Now, pine oil also helps to prevent nausea and vomiting. Associated with vomiting is the neurotransmitters that different drugs work with, and pine oil is found to help not to be sick and not to have nausea. And it also promotes hormonal activity, such as associated with PMS. And it also helps with insomnia. But pine oil, well, and it smells like, over Christmas you like everything to smell like pine, but pine really helps the lungs. And if you have any trouble with the lungs or the sinus, I would say inhale pine oil. And make sure you get organic, and make sure that it's not a chemical one, or you'll be inhaling something chemical. So enjoy knowing about what herbs can do for you, and have a great day.